Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Robinhood for options. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to create your account in Robinhood. So after you open your application, you will need to have already completed signing up. You have your identity verified. So basically, in all cases, if you didn't have your identity verified, you won't be able to trade in the stocks. So as you can see, I do not have this trade option that is available. So basically, after you finish all these steps, so basically you have added your funds and you verified your identity, all you need to do is just to go to your profile so you can in be able to enable the Robinhood options or options trading. So you will need just to go to profile and then you click on this menu. So from here you will find many options. One of these options would be investing. So you will find investing probably as the first choice, and you click on investing, and basically you will have many green buttons as follow, and you will need just to search for the one that says enable option trading. By clicking on Enable Options, you will be redirected to another page. You will be needed to answer other questions as for your experience in option trading, etc., etc. So they can assign your option trading level. And basically, after you finish your instructions, you will be able to start trading options. So you will go to any stock that you would like. So for example, this stock, there you will need to click on trade. And basically you will find three options. You will have sell, buy, and trading options. Basically by clicking on trading options, you will find the options view and then you can see the calls, in the puts, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.